We'll guide you through how to make text outline in Photopea. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Photopea in a browser to begin the process of creating outline text. Photopea is accessible on any device, making it convenient whether you are using a desktop computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. On your computer desktop, open your usual browser. Right-click on your browser shortcut and open it. Wait for the browser to open properly before continuing. Hover your cursor over the search bar or address bar, then click inside it. Type Photopea in the search field. Press Enter on your keyboard to start the search. Let the browser perform the search and display the results. Select 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘.com from the top options and click to open the website. Once the website opens, you will be redirected to the Photopea homepage. On the homepage, select New Project. Choose one of the available canvas templates or customize your own canvas size according to your needs. Tap the Create button to start editing. Once opened, the Photopea editing page will appear. Start by using the text tool in the toolbar to type your text. Set the font, size, and color first so the text looks the way you want. Type the text you want to warp. Resize and reposition the text to the center of the canvas for better placement. Next, add a solid color to a new adjustment layer. Choose a background color of your choice and position it below the text layer. Right-click the text layer and select Blending Options. Activate the stroke feature to create an outline around the text. At this point, you have successfully outlined your text. Try adjusting these settings to achieve the appearance you prefer. Increase the scale to make the outline thicker and more noticeable. Adjust the outline's position on the text, such as outside the text, inside, or centered. Change the outline color to your liking. Click on the color box and select the color you want to apply to your text outline. You can also change the coloring to a gradient or pattern for a more creative result. And now you have learned how to outline text in Photopea with ease today.